So with Science Interactive, I've had nothing but great experiences for myself and for my students. With my program being online, the main takeaway is the convenience and the fact that they're able to have access to tools that they would actually use inside of a pharmacy. So some of the benefits of the virtual labs, especially if you have a program online, um, the main one is student accessibility. These kits are an affordable alternative. Students can complete the labs at home, but still have great hands-on experience. And it also allows for flexibility for the learner. With the customization of the kits, I was able to work with SI to build a kit that was suitable for my curriculum and my goals. And not to mention the overall safety and the other materials included in the kit was a plus. Um, I want students to have confidence in the materials that they have, that it won't be harmful to them or anyone in their household while they conduct these experiments for the course. And of course, the compatibility with Canvas, having the seamless links that provide a gateway from Canvas to the SI Cloud is priceless. There's no back and forth, and it makes for a better experience for the learner and the instructor.